How to fix NVIDIA FPS drop and performance issues. Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If your game is lagging or you're noticing FPS drop while using the NVIDIA application, I'm going to walk you through a method to help resolve that. So, step one is go to your computer's desktop, right click anywhere on the screen, and select Show More Options, then choose NVIDIA Control Panel. Alternatively, you can open your Start menu, type NVIDIA Control Panel, and launch it from there. Once you're inside the control panel, look to the left sidebar and click on Manage 3D Settings. Then switch over to Global Settings tab. Now scroll through the list until you find an option called Shader Cache Size. Click the drop down menu and set it to Disabled. After that, hit Apply at the bottom and then restart your PC to make sure the changes take effect. Once your system has rebooted, open your Start menu again and search for the NVIDIA application. Open the official NVIDIA application. From here, go to the Drivers tab in the sidebar. You'll see a drop down where you can choose between Game Ready Driver or Studio Driver. If you primarily use your own PC for gaming, go with Game Ready Driver. For generally tasks or creative work, select Studio Driver. So you're going to choose that and then you click on download, and once it finishes, go ahead and install it. Now that your driver is updated, let's clean up any leftover shader cache. So go to your Start menu, search for Disk Cleanup, and open the application. Click on Clean Up System Files, wait a few seconds, then scroll down the list until you spot DirectX Shader Cache, making sure it's checked. Then click OK and confirm by selecting Delete Files. Once that's done, head back to NVIDIA Control Panel, go back to Shader Cache Size, and this time set it to Driver Default. Click Apply once more and restart your computer again to finalize the process. That's it, your FPS issues should now be resolved. If this guide helps you out, drop down a comment and I'll catch you in the next video.